So, welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadeva classes. You are in standard 8, and this is the textbook of your science, general science. We have started your lesson that is the inside the atom. Okay, inside the atom. We have started this lecture, and it is long time that we are taken this fourth lecture of this chapter because the lesson is quite big as well as it is quite what can you say? It is quite interesting also, right? So I think we'll complete this lesson today. No. The things are that we are going to see some of the things. Now the first thing is that we are going to start from this point now. What is meant by atomic number Z? What is meant by atomic number Z? Yes, Shivam, tell me what is atomic number. If wrong hai to bhi chalega, don't worry. Shivam, what is atomic number? Shivam, anyone can tell me. Yes, fast guys. What is atomic number? Yes, very good. Actually, I'm not able to hear you. Okay, let me explain. What is atomic number? Number of electrons or number of protons present in an atom. Present in an atom is known as atomic number, right? Then question number one over question number two is given that atomic numbers, atomic number Z, atomic number or Z of some elements are given. Write down what you need to write down. Write down the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. For that purpose, we should know the electronic configuration. So here it is one. So one. Here it is six. So six. The electronic configuration will be two and six. So number of two and four. So number of electrons in outermost shell is equal to four. 11. 11 can be written in 11 can be written in this form. Electronic configuration is 2 at 1. So number of electrons in outermost shell is equal to 1. Here 17 can be written as 2, comma 8, comma 7. 2, comma 8, comma 7. So outermost electron, number of electrons in outermost shell is equal to 7. Then n is equal to 7. That means 2, comma 7. So number of electrons in outermost, sorry, 2, comma 5. एक second, guys. 2, comma 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So number of electrons in outermost shell is equal to 5. Number of electrons in outermost shell is equal to 5. Getting? So this is the answer of question number 1. I have told you question number 2 का आंसर मैंने आपको यहाँ पे दिया है question number 2. Right? Now इसका मैं आपको स्क्रीनशॉट भेज देता हूँ. So that will help you to write answers. Just a minute. The next question is question number 3. The number of electrons of some elements is given here. By using 8, write the electronic configuration, number of valence electrons and valency of respective elements. Okay, we'll try to do it. Electronic configuration of lithium is 2, comma 1. It is 2, comma 1. ये 2 है आपका. It is 2, comma 1. Number of valence electron 1 and valence is also equal to 1. Then here electronic configuration of carbon is 2, comma 4. Number of valence electron 4, but the valency is 2. Sorry, but valency is also 4. Valency is also 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Then here 12. So 12 is what? 2, sorry, 2, comma 2, comma 8. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 2. So 2, comma 8, comma 2. Right? So number of valence electron 2 and your valence is also equal to 2. Valence is also equal to 2. Here 2, comma 6. Number of valence electron 6, but the valency is not 6, but valency is 2. Okay, the valency is 2. Question number 3. Question number 3. Then why are the atomic numbers and atomic mass numbers always in whole number? They are always in whole number. Why are the atomic numbers and atomic mass numbers always in whole number? करो नहीं तो नहीं करोगे तो भी चलेगा, छोड़ दो इसको. Then question number 5. Sulfur contains 16 protons, 16 neutrons. What will be the atomic number? So atomic number Z. Lakshya, atomic number I'll write here. Here I'll write the answer. So atomic number, atomic number is Z. Atomic number Z, atomic number Z is equal to, atomic number Z is equal to what? 16, right? Atomic number Z is equal to 16, and atomic, sorry, mass number, and its mass number is equal to, mass number is A. Mass number A is equal to what? 16 protons, 16 neutrons. So 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. Getting, guys? So this is the answer of question number 5. Question 3 का आंसर है, question 5 का question 4 छोड़ दो. Let's see, मैं कॉपी करके आंसर भेज रहा हूँ. आपको आ रहा है कि देखो, मुझे आंसर भेज रहा हूँ मैं, 2 मिनट रुको. Okay, guys, so let's continue the lecture, and new term you are going to see, the isotope. What do you mean by isotope? The atomic number is a fundamental property of an element and its chemical identity, right? We have seen that the atomic number is a fundamental property of an element and its chemical identity. Some elements in nature, लक्ष्य द्या, नीट follow करो देखो. Some pay attention. Some elements in the nature have atoms with same atomic number but different mass number. Getting? atomic number सेम आहे, atomic number उसका सेम है, but atomic mass number different है. Element is same, element तोच आहे. So such atom of the same elements having different mass number are called as isotope. इसको क्या कहेंगे? Isotope. याला क्या म्हणणार आपण? Isotope. We'll call it as a isotope, right? For example, carbon. Carbon has 3 isotopes. Carbon isotopes किती आहे? 3. Namely, C14, C13 and C12, C13 and C14. Carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Okay. So the mass number of isotope is also represented by the formula C12, C13 and C14. The isotopes have the same proton number but a different neutron number. Neutron number different होता. Example, see, you can see the example here. C12, C13 and C14. Mass number is 12, 13, 14. Atomic number is same because number of electrons and number of protons same, 666. So what differs here? Number of neutron differs, right? So 12 minus 6, 6. Here 13 minus 6, 7, and 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. एका झालं तुमचं, this is the number of neutron number. हा का तुमचा neutron number, लक्षात घ्या. So you have the same atomic number, लक्षात घ्या, same atomic number but different atomic mass number. Same atomic number but different as some atomic mass number. See, atomic number is same, 6, 6, 6, but now atomic mass number differs. Why this differs? Because of the number of neutrons change होतात, right? Number of neutrons change होतात. Getting? समझिया? Okay, guys, जो आगे चलो. So isotope, you should remember what is isotope. Then hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Hydrogen also has 3 isotopes. They have separate names. Hydrogen, उसको separate name है. First is known as hydrogen, second is known as deuterium, and third is known as tritium, right? Hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. Find out their mass, their numbers, collect the information about the heavy water from the internet. ये आपको इंटरनेट पे ढूंढना है. Let's see, isotope. यहाँ पे क्या दिया आपका isotope? Hydrogen 1 here, hydrogen यहाँ पे आएगा आपका 2, here it will be 2 and here it will be 1. Okay, and here also it will be hydrogen, यहाँ पे आपका आएगा 3 and here it will be 1, right? So here number of protons 1 1 1, number of neutrons 0, number of neutrons 0. Just a minute. Neutron number is 0, then 1 and 2, right? See, again, chlorine also has 2 isotopes. So here number of protons 17, here also 17, then here 17 and 35. So 35 minus 17, how much? It is 18. So number of protons 18, number of neutrons 18, and here 37 minus 17. So it will be 20. Number of neutrons कितने आले? 20 आले. Getting? So ये भी चार्ट आपको करना है, easy है. And you have to find out the heavy water. या information ढूंढो इंटरनेट से. आपके पास मोबाइल है, आपके पास almost you have everything, right? So you have seen the isotopes. So what are the uses of isotopes? What are the uses of isotopes? Isotopes of some elements are radioactive. They are radioactive. They are useful. They are used in various fields. कहाँ पे use होता है उनका? Industries, agriculture, medicine, research field. Right? They are used in this particular spaces. So example is given uranium 235. Uranium 235 is used for nuclear fission and production of electricity. Right? तो जिसको हम कहते हैं एटॉमिक एनर्जी, वी कॉल इट एज एटॉमिक एनर्जी। आपको है आगे वो न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर वर्क आपको पढ़ना है, आगे है वहाँ पे, यू हैव इट। देन नेक्स्ट यू हैव some radioactive isotopes like cobalt 60 are used in the medical treatment of fatal diseases like cancer। कैंसर के लिए इसका यूज हो जाता है कोबाल्ट 60 का, बिकॉज कैंसर डज नॉट हैव एनी वैक्सीन। सो कैंसर के लिए वैक्सीन वगैरह नहीं है, एंड देयर सो देर आर वेरियस radioactive isotopes used. Iodine 131 is used in the treatment of goiter and disease of thyroid gland. So what is goiter? Goiter disease होता है thyroid। ये हमारा जो neck होता है neck, so it swells because of the lack of goiter, lack of iodine in our daily salt। इसलिए हम जो salt खाते हैं ना उसमें लिखा होता है iodized नमक, iodized salt। if अगर फिर भी किसी को goiter हुआ है, then this iodine 131 can be used। The radioactive isotopes are used for the detection of cracks, leakages in the underground pipes। Sodium 24 उसमें use होता है। Then radioactive elements are used for the preservative from microbes, and the radioactive isotope C14 is used for determining the age of archaeological objects। See C14 जो है ना उसको हम ये कहते हैं, what we call it as a carbon dating, we known as carbon dating। So what happens actually, this C14 is used for determining the age of archaeological objects, right? It is known as carbon dating। तो एनीथिंग कितना पुराना अगर है वो आपको देखो। दिस इज न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर एट भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर मुंबई। मुंबई में ये सब बड़ा एक सेंटर है, BARC, इट इज कॉल्ड एज BARC। दादा तुर्का सरगुंगे, BARC, okay, it is in Mumbai। So this is a nuclear reactor, it is very close to our Kalyan। So what is nuclear reactor? Nuclear reactor is a machine, Lakshat diya, it is a machine that generates electricity on large scale by using atomic energy। What they use? They use atomic energy। There are different sources from which we can produce our electricity, right? So we use coal, we use water, that is the dams, and many things। In what happens in a nuclear reactor, the nuclear energy in atom is released by bringing about nuclear reactions on the nuclear fuel। Nuclear fuel हमने देखा uranium 235। Let us understand a nuclear reaction with the example of a nuclear fuel। So nuclear fuel कौन सा है? 235। Fuel म्हणजे ना, fuel म्हणजे ईंधन। So nuclear fuel कौन सा है? Uranium 235 is a nuclear fuel, and we use it for the production of energy or atomic energy। On the bombardment with slow speed of neutrons, the nucleus of isotope uranium 235 undergoes nuclear fission to form nuclei. Okay, to form nuclei of two different elements, krypton 92 and barium 141, as well as there are 2 to 3 neutrons are also produced। On decreasing the speed of these neutrons, bring about fission of more uranium 235 nuclei। In this way, a chain reaction of nuclear fission takes place। Okay, आपको आगे देखना हमको। A large number of nuclear energy is released during a chain reaction of fission। The chain reaction is kept under control to prevent probable explosion। So what is actually done here? आपको देखा तो देखो यहाँ पे what is actually done in this type of nuclear fission reaction। What is done? Okay, you can see the diagram। See, this is uranium 235 atom। Okay, this is the atom of uranium 235। What do? We bombard मतलब त्याला मारा करायचा। We bombard a neutron। Okay, we bombard neutron on this uranium 235 molecule। So what happens because of this bombardment, this undergo a fission, it undergoes a fission म्हणजे टुकड़े हो जाते हैं, उसके टुकड़े टुकड़े हो जाते हैं, and you get a nucleus of krypton, you get a nucleus of barium। There are one, two, three more neutrons are formed, there are three more neutrons are formed, as well as there is a production of lot of energy, there's a production of lot of energy getting। So this is the reaction known as nuclear fission reaction। So you get krypton 92 and barium 141, as well as 2 to 3 electrons in this process, in this fission process, a lot of energy is produced, right? To control the chain reaction in the nuclear reactor, it is necessary to decrease the speed or the nuclear number of electrons. So what happens? देखो ये जो तीन electrons तीन neutrons है ना, they again go and bombard they again go and bombard three more यूरेनियम थ्री मोर यूरेनियम. सो ये थ्री जो है ना, ये फिर जाके इनको क्या करेंगे, देर इज अ बॉम्बार्डमेंट अगेन. दूसरे जो इलेक्ट यूरेनियम 235 के एटम्स आर देयर. सो देन अगेन, सो फर्स्ट वन, then one चे किती झाले, वन चा, then you got three one one one, so you got three from one, then again it again forms three, right? It again forms three. So first one होते, then you got the number of neutrons three, then you got number of neutrons nine, then you got number of electrons 27, then 27 again goes and they form 81, and this process goes on continuously. अभी होता क्या है इसमें? The main thing is that in this whole process there is a production of lot of energy. There is a production of lot of energy, and this energy we use as a atomic energy. समझा अभी? Getting? So what are the components of this reaction? For this purposes, following provisions are made. What is the provision? First is a moderator. What is moderator? A graphite or a heavy water. देखा ना हमने वो आइसोटोप देखा था हाइड्रोजन का. और graphite or heavy water is used. Deuterium. Deuterium is heavy water. Deuterium is heavy water. Used for the moderator, used as moderator for reducing the speed of neutrons. Okay. And then second one is controller. The second one is controller to reduce the number of neutrons by absorbing them. Rods of ro- rods of boron, cadmium, beryllium are used as a controller. ये controller होते हैं, and this is a moderator. The heat produced in the fission process is taken out by using water as a coolant, right? So water is transformed into steam. Water को steam बनाते हैं, and ये जो steam होता है, by this steam turbines are driven and electricity is generated. Turbines are driven and electricity is generated, right? So this is the process we use to prepare electricity. That is atomic energy. In India, total 22 nuclear reactors in 8 places are functioning. ठीक है. Apsara, Apsara देखो, Apsara at BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai is the first nuclear reactor in India which went critical on 4th August 1956. India has large reserves of elements of thorium. See, जैसे हम यूरेनियम यूज करते हैं ना, you can use thorium also. Therefore, Indian scientists have developed a future plan to for nuclear reactors based on production of these isotopes U-32 from uh, thorium 232. So urium 233 and 232 thorium. वो भी यूज करेंगे. What our scientists are doing? They are trying to use thorium instead of uranium, क्योंकि यूरेनियम हमारे पास बहुत कम है. थोरियम इज प्रेजेंट इन more quantity. So this ends your lecture. This ends your chapter also. बहुत सारा बहुत easy question answers है. Just a minute, I'll take that also.